everyone, I'm Renee. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make semolina porridge, which is also called as suji ki kheer in India. So let's get started. So in a pan on a medium heat, add clarified butter 1 tablespoon, which is also called as ghee. Add roasted semolina 2 tablespoon and give it a good mix. Now cook it until it starts boiling or until the bubbles are formed. Turn the gas on low heat and add 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and give it a good mix. Now cook it for more 2 minutes. Now add 1.5 cup of milk, low fat or full fat, whatever you want, and give it a good mix. Now cook it for another 2 minutes till all the ingredients are combined well and keep stirring continuously. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and give it a good mix. Now add some dry fruits. So here I have used almonds, pistachio and walnuts, and you can also use cashews if you want, or any of the nuts which you all like, and give it a good stir. Now at this stage, if you think that the porridge is a little bit thick, so you can add 2 tablespoons of milk more and cook it for more 3 minutes, and yeah, semolina porridge is ready. Thank you.